Railway flyover RFO number 756 is being constructed at railway chainage 1335/1315 between Govindpuri and Bhimsen stations of Kanpur-Jhansi section along the dedicated Eastern Freight Corridor of the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited (DFCCIL). The railway flyover will be crossed by DFCCIL track as per DFCCIL chainage 488+752 between Moghalsarai and New Bhaupur section. This rail flyover RFO is being constructed to provide safe and uninterrupted passage to Indian Railways as well as DFCCIL trains. This animation explains the construction process of the RFO step by step. Ground preparation by compaction of soil, fixing of temporary supports, assembly of girders, trial pulling, pulling of girders, removal of temporary arrangement from railway tracks, lowering of girder, fixing of bearing and grouting of bolts. Before laying of the girders, the construction site will be prepared by compaction of soil to facilitate assembly of girder over ground. Girders will be laid over the Indian Railway track. The weight of individual girder is 192 metric tons. There are two steel open web girders of 49.24 meters, cc of expansion joints, 45.7 meter clear span to be laid over Indian Railway track to bridge the gap for this RFO for up and down line traffic of DFCCIL. Both the girders will be assembled over DFCCIL formation at A1 side as per approved methodology of open web girders. Girders will be placed ensuring the desired camber and proper tightening of HSFG high-strength friction grip bolts by applying desired torque. Once the girders are placed, rolling arrangement, trestle supports installation and pulling arrangements will be done. The trestle supports in between both abutments gap to be prepared as per approved methodology to support the girder during launching. Two pulling winch machines will be installed in pulling precision and two winch machines on the rear end also for restraining. At all the time, the wire shall be kept under zero tension to avoid sagging of wires over OHE. At the same time, excess tension shall not be made to avoid inadvertent pulling of girders. Now the girder is ready for pulling over the railway track. The girder will be pulled using the pulling winch. The entire girder launching operation will be executed in traffic-cum-power block, ensuring all safety norms prescribed in Way and Works Manual by Indian Railways. Once the girders reach their final position, it will be placed over wooden packs, placed over abutment cap top with the help of jacks. At this point, temporary support and beams have to be removed under traffic and power block. First, longitudinal beams will be removed laterally below girder area and kept on ground with the help of a crane. Then the trestles will be removed. After removal of longitudinal beams and trestles, lowering shall be done so carefully that at no point more than one end of the girder is unsupported. These girders will be pulled from A2 side through pulling winches fixed over dead man anchorage and will be placed over the gap of bridge. Thereafter, rolling arrangement below girders will be removed and girders will be lowered with the help of jacks to rest over bearings placed on bearing pedestals. After the girders placed over bearing, the grouting of bearings and fixing of steel channel sleepers with track will be taken up.